Here are 100 difficult words with their meanings. 1. Abstruse adj. Difficult to understand, obscure. 2. Alacrity n. Swiftness or promptness. 3. Ameliorate versus. To make something better or more tolerable. 4. Anachronism n. Something out of place in terms of time or context. 5. Anathema n. A person or thing detested or loathed. 6. Animus n. Hostile or antagonistic attitude. 7. Aphorism n. A short, witty saying. 8. Apocryphal adj. Of doubtful authenticity. 9. Arcane adj. Mysterious or obscure. 10. Assiduous adj. Persistent and hardworking. 11. Audacious adj. Fearless or bold. 12. Autocratic adj. Having absolute power. 13. Benevolent adj. Kind or charitable. 14. Cacophony n. Discordant sound. 15. Callipygian adj. Having well-shaped buttocks. 16. Cathartic adj. Providing emotional release. 17. Chiaroscuro n. Contrast between light and dark. 18. Cogent adj. Clear and logical. 19. Confluence n. Meeting of two rivers. 20. Crepuscular adj. Relating to twilight. 21. Defenestration n. Act of throwing something out a window. 22. Dichotomy n. Division into two opposing parts. 23. Diffident adj. Lacking confidence. 24. Dissemble versus. To conceal or disguise. 25. Dulcet adj. Sweet or soothing. 26. Ephemeral adj. Lasting for a short time. 27. Ennui n. Feeling of listlessness. 28. Ephemera n. Things lasting only for a day. 29. Epicure n. One who enjoys luxury. 30. Exigent adj. Demanding or urgent. 31. Fastidious adj. Meticulous. 32. Finesse n. Delicacy and subtlety. 33. Garrulous adj. Talkative. 34. Heterogeneous adj. Composed of different kinds. 35. Hubris n. Excessive pride. 36. Inscrutable adj. Difficult to understand. 37. Insouciant adj. Carefree. 38. Inveterate adj. Deep-seated. 39. Jocularity n. Good-natured humor. 40. Lassitude n. Feeling of weariness. 41. Malevolent adj. Having ill will. 42. Malleable adj. Capable of being molded. 43. Mellifluous adj. Sweet-sounding. 44. Meritorious adj. Deserving praise. 45. Mitigate versus. To make less severe. 46. Narcissism n. Self-love. 47. Nefarious adj. Wicked. 48. Obfuscate versus. To make unclear. 49. Oscillation n. Repeated movement. 50. Papillon n. Butterfly. 51. Paradox n. Contradictory statement. 52. Pedantic adj. Excessively concerned with rules. 53. Perfidious adj. Disloyal. 54. Permeate versus. Spread through. 55. Phantasmagoric adj. Fantastical. 56. Platonic adj. Non-romantic. 57. Precarious adj. Uncertain. 58. Proclivity n. Tendency. 59. Profligate adj. Wasteful. 60. Pungent adj. Strong-smelling. 61. Reclusive adj. Preferring solitude. 62. Redolent adj. Fragrant. 63. Refractory adj. Stubborn. 64. Rigor n. Harshness. 65. Sagacious adj. Wise. 66. Serendipity n. Happy accident. 67. Simulacrum n. Copy. 68. Soliloquy n. Speech to oneself. 69. Specious adj. Deceptive. 70. Sui generis adj. Unique. 71. Tintinnabulation n. Ringing sound. 72. Transient adj. Temporary. 73. Turpitude n. Depravity. 74. Ubiquitous adj. Everywhere. 75. Vacillate versus. Here are 100 more difficult words with their meanings. 1. Venerable adj. Respected due to age or character. 2. Vigilant adj. Watchful. 3. Vitriolic adj. Bitterly critical. 4. Wistful adj. Feeling a sense of longing. 5. Xenophobia n. Fear of strangers. 6. Yonder et v. At a distance. 7. Zephyr n. gentle breeze. 8. Abeyance n. Temporary suspension. 9. Accretion n. Growth through gradual addition. 10. Adumbrate verses. To foreshadow. 11. Alchemical age. Relating to transformation. 12. Amortize verses. To reduce debt. 13. Anisotropic age. Having different properties. 14. Anthropic age. Relating to human existence. 15. Aphasia n. Language disorder. 16. Apostate n. One who rejects their faith. 17. Arcadian age. Idyllically rustic. 18. Ascetic n. One who renounces worldly pleasures. 19. Asperity n. Harshness. 20. Assimilate verses. To integrate. 21. Astral age. Relating to the stars. 22. Atavistic age. Relating to ancestral traits. 23. Audacity n. Fearless courage. 24. Autodidact n. Self-taught person. 25. Axial age. Relating to the axis. 26. Banausic age. Uninspiring. 27. Beatific age. Radiating joy. 28. Benevolent age. Kind. 29. Bifurcate verses. To divide into two. 30. Cacography n. Poor handwriting. 31. Calliope n. Muse of epic poetry. 32. Caligenous age. Dark or gloomy. 33. Capricious age. Unpredictable. 34. Catenate verses. To link together. 35. Chiaroscurist n. Artist specializing in contrast. 36. Chthonic age. Relating to the underworld. 37. Cincture n. Belt or girdle. 38. Coeval age. Of the same age. 39. Cogitate verses. To think deeply. 40. Compendious age. Concise. 41. Confluence n. Meeting of rivers. 42. Consonant age. Harmonious. 43. Contumacious age. Stubborn. 44. Convivial age. Sociable. 45. Crapulent age. Sick from excessive drinking. 46. Crass age. Coarse or unrefined. 47. Crepuscular age. Relating to twilight. 48. Cretinous age. Stupid. 49. Culminate verses. To reach the highest point. 50. Defalcate verses. To embezzle. 51. Defenestration n. Act of throwing someone, something out. 52. Dendrochronology n. Study of tree rings. 53. Denouement n. Conclusion. 54. Deprivation n. Moral corruption. 55. Dichotomize verses. To divide into two. 56. Diffuse verses. To spread out. 57. Dilation n. Expansion. 58. Diplopia n. Double vision. 59. Dissemble verses. To conceal. 60. Dissident n. One who disagrees. 61. Diurnal age. Relating to daytime. 62. Dulcify verses. To sweeten. 63. Echolocation n. Navigation through sound. 64. Ephemeral age. Lasting for a short time. 65. Epicene age. Having both male and female characteristics. 66. Epiphenomenon n. Secondary phenomenon. 67. Equivocate verses. To use ambiguous language. 68. Eructation n. Belching. 69. Ephemera n. Things lasting only a day. 70. Exigent age. Demanding. 71. Exorcism n. Ritual to expel evil spirits. 72. Expatiate verses. To speak or write at length. 73. Extirpate verses. To destroy completely. 74. Extrapolate verses. To infer from available data. 75. Factitious age. Artificial.